everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial we will make the Google Chrome logo design and let's start the video. Please watch the video up to the end. First of all, we create the ellipse. Hold Shift and Alt key to make it bigger. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Then hold Shift and Alt key to make it small. And again we repeat the same process. And here we draw the line. Hold Alt key and click on the center point. Press Ctrl D to repeat this process. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video.